And Delhi today reported over 100 cases of the coronavirus in 24 hours. That's worrying because that is the highest daily spike in nearly 6 months, and it comes amidst the Omicron scare in Delhi, as the total number of patients infected with the latest variant of the coronavirus has jumped by 12 on Friday to reach 22. And Akshay Dongre, my colleague, is following this story. He joins us. Akshay, 107 new cases today. The city also reporting one COVID-related death.
Well, this is extremely concerning, Ankita, because the number of cases are consistently going up. And this is not a one-off incident that the national capital has reported an uptick. Yesterday, it was 86 cases. 2 days before, it was 85 cases. So one thing is extremely clear by this point of time, that the number of cases are indeed going up in the national capital. And this is especially worrying because Delhi has seen multiple waves of COVID-19. While the country has seen 2 waves, Delhi has seen at least 4 waves of COVID-19, and that exactly remains the biggest concern of the healthcare workers, because in the last wave, the national capital's healthcare infrastructure was overwhelmed to an extent that people were not finding beds, even in the capital city of the country. We have seen for the past several months, in fact, for the past 2-3 months at least, Agida, especially during the festive season, that people have started to put their guards down. Healthcare experts have been warning about this uptick for a very long time now, and now in 6 months, this is the highest number of cases that has been reported. As far as the health ministry is concerned, they have given the numbers that in the national capital, almost 80% of people, over 80% of people have gotten their first dose, but it still is in the category of states where the second dose coverage is still between 50 to 80, which is not good, because many states have covered a second dose to their adult population above 80% as well. So yes, this is a concern. Remains to be seen that what exactly are the steps that will be taken by the Delhi government to ensure strict compliance of mask behavior, because in markets like popular markets like Sarojini Nagar or Lajpat Nagar, you can go anytime, you will see hordes of people without masks, not following COVID appropriate behavior. So yes, if we have to act, we have to act now, because Omicron has shown the world that despite a high number of vaccine coverage, countries like UK, France are reporting a very high number of COVID cases, and that is unprecedented there. So it can again happen in the national capital. So we cannot now look away from the reality that a more transmissible variant is upon us, and we have to take all the precautions that we can take.
Absolutely. Akshay Dongre reporting from the national capital, where we've now gone above the 100 COVID cases mark. This despite 80% or so of residents of the national capital being doubly vaccinated.